What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. See him. I see him. Clean that thing, man. And my boy, SRTA Chrysler. I'm gonna go just be stupid, man. Cause we're stupid guys. You feel me? Let's see which way he going. Hey, ever since I see him, he put a Burble tune on his John. Yeah, he put a Burble tune on it, bro. I haven't heard it yet. I've been in Kansas. I just got back. Apparently, like, it sounding crazy, so I'm so excited to hear it. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I can hear some music. You know what I'm saying? It's been chill. I haven't really been able to pick up the camera for a little bit. Kansas is so boring. Like, it's nothing to do out there by Wichita. You know what I'm saying? Can't find nothing. Oh, I can hear it a little bit. Oh, I gotta really, you know what I'm saying? We did start driving. It's looking crazy. But I'm gonna get back to y'all. We're at the gas station. I'll get back to y'all. Oh my God. Let me catch you.
Holy Jesus.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, that's the craziest Burble tune I've ever heard in my life, bro. Holy Jesus. I thought this hit the police too. Oh my God, how does he drive this car without getting pulled over? Every second, I can barely hear myself. This dude out here going crazy, bro. These people got their window down, he's gonna terrorize their ass. This shit not, I mean, it's obviously not legal, but like, he needs to be put in jail immediately. Immediately. Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, it just sounds so crazy, bro. But we just cruising right now. My car, like, oh my God. My goodness. Bro, like, I literally drove like all the way from Kansas, and I chilled at my house for like 10 minutes, and I hung out with this dude. My car low-key is starting to run a little hot, bro. That's what I'm looking at, trying to push this on right now. Oh my God, bro. Jeez Louise. That's the craziest thing I've ever heard, bro. I'm in a geeko mode right now, bro. I'm chilling. He don't got no chill, bro. Like, I don't know where the cops are. I can hear it's bouncing off all the walls. Oh my God, bro. It's so fire though. I should get that on my Chrysler. Like, sometimes it spit flames. It's not good right now. Probably can't see his car. Yeah, we just cruising around. BMW. Big old BMW just like got off on me. right. These BMWs, bro, and my man's car done died, bro. Bro, black people, bro. I'm tell you, bro. So I don't get a Burble tune. I don't know how to find, bro. Okay, I'll be back, bro. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I think I caught up to bro. He took off, like after he started his car, dude took off. And I was looking for him still. But I found him again. So we back on it. You see me? Dude, car died, bro. What's up with all this traffic right now, bro? I'm not used to this no more. Bro, car died. Huh? Nah, I think he was trying to race. I think he was trying to race. Bro, he's going to jail. Where the police at, bro? This might be a police scanner, low key. God. I wonder if this our turn. Oh, I don't know where we going. I'm really following him, yeah. I think our city is literally a big square. Just going around in circles. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I keep saying that. I need to stop talking. Just be quiet. Let the video speak for itself. The fact that I can hear, I don't think you can hear it on video. I can literally hear, bro, and he's all the way behind me. I ain't roll. My phone is turned out so. Oh my god. You going to jail, buddy. I'm calling the police. I'm so weak, bro. Guys, y'all sound way too crazy. Like, it's low-key, like, it turned me on, though.
You's a freaky ass nigga. Fuck you mean?
I really mess with it, though. You know what I'm saying? We just driving right now. I really don't know where we're going. I'm really following him. He's behind me now. I'm gonna catch y'all. It's whatever. Who just speeding up behind me like this, bro? Oh shoot, what is that? I think it's a vet. We're just cruising downtown right now, man. Oh shoot, it's a Viper. Oh my god. Oh shoot, it's a Viper, bro. I didn't even peep, bro. My goodness. What's up, y'all? We downtown right now. Just cruising. You know what I'm saying? Downtown. Okay, see, you know, it's really not really, downtown not even lit for real down here, bro. I mean, it's better than Kansas, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's a bad hood right there. What's up, son? All right, you see the Scatty? No, I always be chilling. You probably can't even see me. I'm probably black as shit. What is this next to me? This is another red Charger. Yeah, it's a V6 though. Fine. What the hell is going on? Helicopters over there. They finna come get me. They finna boot me up. Nah, we chilling right now. I don't even know where I'm going. I look need to get gas. Got like 30 some miles, 38 miles, still empty. Pretty low. I think it's a gas station up here. I really only like to use Casey's. This dude's stuck. He's stupid. Oh, these dudes going to jail. It's another. What is that? People don't be having no badges on their cars, bro. But I think it would probably be 6, bro. I ain't gonna lie. What is that behind me? Is that Explorer behind me? Nah. It's not. Look at that. It was done for. I was booked up. What is this? Don't tell me this is a 7-Eleven, bro. I'm pretty sure it has to be a Casey's. Yes, it's a Casey's, bro. I really only use Casey's and OnQ gas, bro. For real. Other gas. Some Charger lights behind me, bro. It's gonna be the cops. Book me, bro. Nah, they tend to see through. Anytime I see Charger or Explorer lights behind me or something, bro, I be scared, be ready to do the dash, man. Nah, I'm just playing, bro. I don't run from cops, bro. Don't run from cops. It's not good, bro. Just pull over, accept your consequences. Shouldn't been doing nothing bad. So I'm cruising right now. I'm finna go get gas. I'm finna cruise around downtown a little bit more. I might get out, maybe a cinematic or something. If I have enough storage. And yeah. Alright, y'all, back. Got a little bit of gas. Put a little bit of gas in it, you know what I'm saying? I should have ran it, I ain't gonna lie, but I ain't a thug. You know what I'm saying? I'll speed, but I ain't never gonna run no red light. It's against the law, man. Now we chilling. Go to Devon Tower. Gonna go over kind of by that for real. I don't even know what to do. I'm trying to get a video in. Got some young niggas, bro. I'm finna come strike my. I see them looking at my scat, bro. I'm finna get striked on. Why do people be honking? Be scaring me. I be thinking they're honking at me. Slow down. I'm mad early. She looking at shorty? Got a Hello Kitty backpack. It's kind of fun. It's like, oh, people still there getting arrested.